You know they dissatisfied. I'm hardworking. I'm industrious. I am a lover of women. Finish.
Hello everyone, my name is OluwaFemi and I am a Hajara intern here at the Bob Africa.
Hajara. You don't turn Hajara now. Bro. Because you want to form now, they call yourself Hajara. Even Halima said, no, they call herself Halima. Now Halima, we know Hamas. Hello everyone, my name is Alfred Collins and I'm coming to Nigeria here at the Bob Africa.
Hello everyone, my name is OluwaFemi and I am a HR intern here at the Bob Africa.
And you're welcome
to Fry Your Head this shirt.
Show. I consider myself intuitive. You could see lots of energy, and lastly, creative.
Okay, for me, creative. Also an extrovert. Did I just say extrovert? Introvert rather. And
a lover.
I'm a cool person.
Is it not chicken?
I
don't even think that's a question. With more money, I could buy all the clocks in the world.
Okay, for me, I want more money. At the time, well, I can actually do more with the money in the time I am given. So I guess more money.
Can you pause? Funniest thing. I have to say before all of these people do.
They will see here. I'll watch it.
For me, I don't have so much fun anything like that because I don't go out. I'm always in my house.
So your own phone is expensive. So Balu will phone you. No, scrap this thing, I bet, bro. No, scrap him. I did try imagine. I believe say funny things don't happen. Okay. Pull up. That one that rain beat me to the office. God. Ooh. One day now saw me because I went to change upstairs and I wore one small flip flop. One day looked me from up to down. I couldn't tell why they say one day no first. It's not my fault. It's rain. Rain. Leamon. You have Leamon in your life, but you are not funny.
Okay, for me, almost the same scenario and the same day actually. So I was in this bus. I escaped the rain very well to the extent where I just got to that bus stop at the office and I was meant to calm down and it was raining heavily. I was going to plead with the conductor to just allow me to stay for a while. The guy just shouted, "Oga bole." We should just spend 1 million naira now. I will invest 500,000 naira somewhere. And I could get a land somewhere for 500,000.
In 5 minutes. Which land did they sign documents in 5 minutes? You don't buy land before, you don't even price land. You know, guys.
The thing is, if you have the money, it's gonna come easy. Like
try to price land tomorrow.
The problem is, you keep looking at Lagos. Come and buy land outside Lagos.
Kaduna, your land. No wonder. I'll be investing in a brand. I don't know if it's okay for me to mention. Crib stock. Yeah, that's huge.
Okay, I remember this time while I was in school. Like we had nothing but just garri and one egusi and no protein.
Continue.
So we had to suffice for protein. We had to go and buy egg and boiled egg. Put it inside the egusi soup.
Jesus!
I guess that was the craziest thing I've ever done. Like,
is that why you're short?
Oh God, get out! Like, we had visitors and ladies. You know how ladies come to your house and you put this egg and egusi in front of them and you be like, "You guys are eating sacrifice." So, moment we are here today. We are living.
I'm balling. Nice question. Idris Elba. Bro, don't try me, man. I think I like Idris Elba a lot.
I guess Niniola will try.
Niniola is a woman.
Yeah.
But boy, you are where do? You dey chop egusi and egg. You don't have money. Now you're looking for a woman to play you.
Now you sabi.
God. Oh, hey. Now you're just starting. Yeah, I think a lot depends on how you convey the message. Definitely, everybody wants to be praised. We all want to score like A+ in the work that we do. But the truth is that you always have to be open to review. It's the only way to grow, actually.
Sure.
I remember during Towards Future Z, something like that happened, where I had this slight issue with the financial department. The best thing to just do when you get a critical review is to just sit down with the person, ask for feedback. Sometimes the criticism comes in the open place, but you should get like a one-on-one chance to speak with the person and ask for how exactly can you change or improve the work that you do. That's how you get better, actually.
Yeah, same thing for me. It's actually, for me, it's gonna be a way to get better at what I'm doing as a creative and a people person. So if I get criticized, I always want to sit back and think for myself first, then go out asking questions on how to get better on what I'm doing. So that's it.
Building digital communities. I've talked about it with some persons already. Building what I think is the future of nations on the digital space. It's something I want to do, commit myself over for the next 10, 15, 20 years. Watch out.
I would love to see myself designing stuff.
Church flyers.
Not church flyers now. Must it be weird? Like, why your mouth inside my mouth? Inside my mouth?
How can I put my mouth inside your mouth? What are you saying? You said designing now, and I know you design flyers a lot. If you do MFM today, go do Regine tomorrow. You don't even can't get church again.
Now you sabi. So I would like to actually go into product design. Yeah, as well.
What up, guys? So I trust you love this video. For all the exciting content, informational material, resources, and more.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.
Peace.